Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I've got multiple vehicles, not just only this 6-liter powerstroke Ford. So this one is a 2005 F350. It's got the 6-liter powerstroke diesel in it. And I had two problems. I had lack of power, I had power surges, and I had to take it in. I just took it into Ford and had them run the codes it was throwing. It actually wasn't even coming up on the dash, but they were to hook into it, and they found that I had a bad ICP. So I bought that from Ford, and they said the EGR valve was bad, and I just pulled it, and as you can see here, guys, it is gooey, it is nasty, and I think that this is probably what is a safe bet that this is sticking and not opening and doing its job. So there's some tips online how to clean this. I'm going to clean this. This is a very expensive valve. I'm going to clean this EGR valve, and I will get you an update on this in an upcoming video if this works. But just show you what I did. I removed two 8mm bolts. The location is right there. Two 8mm bolts. I got a screwdriver from this side under the intake pipe, intercooler pipe there, and I just pried it over, and then I wiggled it back and forth, and it popped right out. And I'm going to take a wire brush, I'm going to get some cleaner, I'm going to clean this all up, and yeah, that's the EGR cooler location. And if you're having power bucking, surging, some guys call it a miss, it make you think your turbo is going out. And I know that this turbo isn't going out because it's new. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps.